Lomo mechdo navideño. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 2 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 kilograms center-cut pork loin, 150 g bacon strips, a half cup pitted prunes, a half cup dried apricots, 1/3 cup whole almonds, a 1/4 cup green olives, 4 pieces garlic cloves, 4 pieces ancho chilies, 3 pieces guajillo chilies, a half piece white onion. Step 1. Begin by prepping the stuffing ingredients. Cut bacon, prunes, apricots, and garlic into thin strip slivers that can easily fit into a small incision. Step 2. Using a long, thin, sharp knife, like a paring or boning knife, pierce the pork loin all over at 2-inch intervals. Ensure the incisions go deep into the center of the meat. Step 3. Stuff each incision with a piece of bacon, a slice of fruit, an almond, or a sliver of garlic. Alternate the ingredients so every slice of the finished roast has a variety of colors and flavors. Step 4. Generously season the entire exterior of the pork loin with salt and black pepper, rubbing it into the surface. Step 5. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Sear the pork loin on all sides until deeply browned and caramelized, about 12 to 15 minutes total. Remove meat and set aside. Step 6. To make the adobo, lightly toast the dried chilies in the same pot for 1 minute until fragrant, then cover with hot water and soak for 15 minutes until soft. Step 7. In a blender, combine the soaked chilies, onion, orange juice, vinegar, chicken stock, oregano, cloves, and cinnamon. Blend until completely smooth. Step 8. Strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve into the Dutch oven to remove any bits of chili skin, ensuring a silky texture. Step 9. Place the seared pork loin back into the Dutch oven with the sauce. The liquid should come about halfway up the meat. Step 10. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or foil and transfer to a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Step 11. Braise for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, turning the meat every 45 minutes to ensure even cooking and color. The pork is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Step 12. Remove the meat from the pot and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 20 minutes. This is crucial for a juicy result. Step 13. While the meat rests, simmer the remaining sauce on the stovetop over medium heat until it thickens into a rich glaze. Step 14. Slice the pork into a half-inch thick rounds to reveal the beautiful mechdo pattern inside. Step 15. Arrange the slices on a platter and spoon the warm adobo reduction over the top before serving. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.